Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle and I am currently doing my field placement, my second semester field placement at my place of employment. Currently I work as a psychiatric rehabilitation worker for a county mental health agency in central Pennsylvania. I've been doing this job for about 2.5 years, and prior to that I was an adult blended case manager in a different county mental health agency in central PA. What I hope to get out of this course is just to gain more insight as to how trauma affects a person's mental health, their physical health, how it changes their brain chemistry. I think the majority of the people that I work with at psych rehab, and even prior to that working as a case manager, unfortunately did have some degree of trauma. And I think that's why studying trauma is relevant to our careers as social workers, is because the majority of the people that I think will come into contact with, unfortunately, will have some type of trauma that they carry with them. So I think it's so important that we learn about it and how it changes our brain and how it changes our mental health and our physical health. 3 ways that I'm going to take care of myself this semester is to go to the gym. I just recently started going to try to take care more of my physical health. Another way that I plan to take care of myself this semester is to set aside time to read for leisure. During the semester when classes are going on, it's super hard for me to read books that are not textbook or school related. So I think taking just a few minutes of time before bed or whenever I have some free time to just read books that I enjoy for leisure. And another way that I'm going to take care of myself is to spend time with my friends and family. They really help keep me grounded, and I really just love being around them and spending time with them. So I'm very excited to be in this class this semester. I think learning about trauma is super, super important, especially in this field as social workers. We will come across so many people that unfortunately carry trauma with them. So I'm excited to learn in this class with you all, and thank you for listening.